This free ebook is making me $30 per day with CPA marketing. Okay guys, this is a CpaGrip content locking tutorial for beginners, and this method is 100% free, so it will cost you no money. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to find an ebook that we are going to give away, that we are going to lock it. Now, for the purpose of this video, you can actually go on ChatGPT and you can here search for ebook, okay? Ebook. And here you can use one of these to write you an ebook. So ChatGPT will write you a free ebook. Or you can simply go on free PLR downloads and you can download a free ebook from here. So let's just say, for example, I wish to download a weight loss related ebook. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on weight loss. And here I can find free PLR ebooks that I can actually lock and use to make money. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this ebook here. I will just click here on this ebook. And then I'm going to scroll here, click here on download and download this ebook that is called From Flab to Fab, okay? So next thing we need to do, we need to create a content locker. Now I have to say you can successfully apply this method on any CPA affiliate network, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to use a CpaGrip. So first thing I need to do, I need to click here on create a new locker, and then I need to scroll here, agree to the terms of condition, click here on continue, and now I need to create a content locker. Now here you can see I can actually change a few things. Here you can see begin download. I will leave that as it is. Now this thing here, complete an offer below to continue, I will actually change that a bit. And I will say something like this: complete an offer below to get From Flab to Fab an ebook, okay? Here you can see complete the survey below to continue. Here I will say something like this, okay? I will say something like this: get this ebook for free, okay? And here where it says locked URL. Now, you need to host somewhere this ebook. I would suggest to use Google Drive. Now I will not show you how to use Google Drive because I already showed you many times how to upload ebooks and files on Google Drive. Now I already have that link, so I will simply go back here on CpaGrip, and here where it says locked URL, I will add a link to my Google Drive where I'm actually hosting this ebook totally free. And all I have to do now is just click here on show offer manager, and here I will choose a country. Let's just say, for example, United States, and here I can choose some of these offers, and let's just say this, and then go here on hide. And now all I have to do is just click here on save, and that's it. I created a content locker, and this is my content locker. So when I click here, I can get a link to my content locker. So what I need to do, I need to copy here this link, and I need to paste that here in Notepad because I'm going to need that later. And next thing I need to do, now I actually need to start driving traffic to my content locker. But because many websites, they don't actually like CPA marketing, so what I need to do, I need to make a bridge page. Now for that, I'm going to use system.io, and here I'm actually going to click here on create a new funnel. Click here, first I need to give it a name, so let's just say, for example, test, for example, and click here on build an audience. Leave the euro or US dollar, doesn't really matter. Click here on save changes, and I will click here on test to edit this funnel, okay? Thank you page, I don't need thank you page, so I will simply click here to delete this page, okay? And now I need to click here on squeeze page, and I need to edit this page. So I need to find a right template. So let me just find the right template. Let's just say, for example, this one here. I will just click here on select, and now I need to click here on edit to edit this template. But because I don't need any of these things, I will simply delete all of this stuff here because, like I said, I actually need a blank page. So I will simply delete all of this. Okay, so next thing I need to do, I need to drag this text box here, okay? And here I actually need to give my own text. And I can say something like this, okay? I will simply paste it like this. Simple steps to transform your body in 28 days. Now that is a catchy title. And actually I'm going to click here and I'm going to make font size a bit larger, okay? And I'm going to make this to be, let's just say, for example, to be bold, okay? I will just highlight this and make this bold. And now it is bold. And also I'm going to give it a subtitle. And again, I'm simply going to drag this text box here and I'm going to give it my subtitle, okay? And this is my subtitle, and again, I'm going to make this to be bold, okay? To be bold, and I'm going to make this a bit larger, but not as large as my title. Now, next thing I need to do, I actually need to add a cover image of this ebook that I downloaded from free PLR downloads. So I simply go here, and then I'm going to drag an image button here. And here I need to click here, and then I need to click here on this cloud image file, click here, select file, and let's just find that, okay, this is the cover image. Give it a second to actually upload this, and click here on insert, and this is the image. Here you can see how this actually looks. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to add a button. So again, I'm going to scroll here, and I'm going to drag this button here, okay? And here you can see this is the button. So I need to click here on this button, and I need to change this where it says click here. And here I'm going to scroll, okay, here to find, okay, and I'm going to change that and say something like this. Get this ebook for free, okay? And I need to delete subtext, okay? And I'm going to make this to be a bit larger, something like this. And then here where it says open action when button clicked, I'm going to click here and click here on open URL, okay? And here now I need to copy my CpaGrip link, okay? This is the link to my CpaGrip content locker, okay? So I'm going to paste that link here, click here on save changes, click here on exit, and when I click here, here you can see how this actually looks. It is simple, it is clean, there is nothing to draw their attention from main thing, and that is to click on this button. So next thing we need to do, we need to start driving traffic to our bridge page. Now for that we are going to use Imgur. Imgur is free, but they don't actually allow links. Don't worry, there is a way to actually add links. So what you need to do, you need to click here on new post. And then here you need to add an image. Now I already prepared an image. So now I need to click here in order to upload that image. So let me just find that image that I created. Okay, this is the image. Give it a few seconds, and here you can see how this actually looks. Now people like before and after images, and here you can see I added scan for free ebook, and I added QR code that contains a link to my bridge page, okay? Because like I said, Imgur doesn't allow links. Now here you need to give it a catchy title. So again, I can use something from this page here. So I can say something like this, okay? Of course you will give it a better title, and I gave it just this title. And here you need to add description. For description I will just add the same thing, but like I said, you will add a better description. Here you need to add tags. So let's just say, for example, weight loss, okay, weight loss, and another tag just to see weight loss, and I will adjust these two tags, okay? But you will add more tags, and then what you need to do, you need to simply click here to community, and you will make a post here, okay? Post publicly, and you will make a post here on Imgur. So what you need to do, you simply need to create posts like this every day, and you need to upload them every day here on Imgur. And like I said, because Imgur doesn't allow links, you need to add a QR code that actually contains a link to your squeeze page, and you need to add a catchy title and a catchy images. In that way you will start getting traffic to your squeeze page, and people will start clicking on your call to action button, and they will start submitting their emails, and you will start making money with CPA marketing, in this case with CpaGrip Content Locker. As you can see, this really is a simple method that you can apply even if you are absolute beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.